Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be going over the showcase design elements and how you can use them to create a beautiful app design on your Shopney dashboard. So when you first log into your Shopney dashboard, you will be seeing the showcase page and all the design elements that will be listed on the left for you to choose right here. First, let's go ahead and start with the search bar, which enables users to search for a certain keyword or item and add any design element from here. All you have to do is just click on them and then drag and drop them right here. When you place them, a page on the right will show up like this, so you can play around with the element too. And when you want to delete the element, all you have to do is just click on the delete button right here and then click on yes. Then we have the divider elements that you can use as a separator between two elements, and you can choose the type of divider that you wish to use. You can even add a custom image for it. You can also schedule the design elements that you wish to be displayed at a later time. Then we have the title elements, where you can add a title to your element or anything else. You can type any title, set its alignment like this, and even choose a collection for it. So when you click on it, all your collections will be displayed right here. Let's go with that one, like this. Then have the countdown timer that you can use for a certain event or campaign. You can choose the end time and its time zone. You can add a title or remove it if you don't want to. You can link it to a product, collection, or even a web page. Set a promotional image for it. Add an action text and choose a color for your numbers, and then more additions below. Then we have the circle elements, which displays your products or collections or even web pages in a circular image. So for example, for now, let's go with product. So we click on product and then go ahead and click add an update button here. This page will show up just for your products, so you can choose automatic or manual. Let's go with automatic for this one. So your collections will be listed on the left for you to choose the products from. Let's just go with this one. You can also choose the number of products that you wish to display. And then you can also go ahead with the sort type like this. When you're done, you just click on done, and that's it. You can play around with its margins, you can hide the content title, you can even hide the product price. So currently it is hidden, but let's go ahead and enable it so the product prices will show up below. You can also go ahead with collection, change the type, and then go ahead and add update content. All your collections will be showing up right here. Let's go with maybe Apple Watch, audio, camera. So we're going to be selecting a few collections to display. And we can also add images, like change their images right here from this button. And if you don't want to use that, you can just delete it like this. And then we click on done. We can also play around with its margins too. And we can also go ahead with web URL to display web pages. Add custom content, and this page will show up. So from this button, you can also add an image to it. We can link the page right here. We can change its title, like add a title to it right here. And then if you don't want to use it, you can just delete it here. And you click on done. And that's it. Afterwards, we have the gallery element, which works similarly to the circle element, just in a rectangular form. With this one, you can go ahead and choose the display type like square, vertical, or horizontal, or change its view size. It can be small, medium, and large. Then we have the carousel element, which works very similar to gallery, but carousel has a sliding animation which features the item on the center right here. Then we have the image element, where you can display your collections or products in bigger dimensions. You can also position its title as inner, outer, or go ahead and hide it. You can add a video on your showcase. You can upload the video here, add a title to it, add its thumbnail image right here on this button. You can enable an action text right here. You can choose its display type. It can be fit or just fields, and even more settings below. Then we have the Slideshow Element, which works again similarly to image, where users can navigate through items by sliding. The slideshow changes slides automatically as well. Then we have the grid option, which enables you to display collections or products in a grid layout. You can make further settings for it below, such as showing add to cart. So when we enable this, the add to cart buttons will show up under the products. Then we have the slider element. Works very similarly to the slideshow, but apart from the slideshow, the slider can only be displayed horizontally. Then we have the app exclusive discounts, where you can set a discount specifically for app customers. We have a more detailed tutorial video on app exclusive discounts, so please make sure to check that one to see how it is set up. Similarly to loyalty programs, so we have an even more detailed tutorial video on this one too. Please make sure to check that one to see how you can set it up too. And then lastly, we have the recently viewed element right here, where customers can see their recently viewed products after checking out products and coming back to your home page. And after you've created your design and you're happy with how it turned out, you like it, you want to go with this one, please don't forget to click on Save and Update button right here. And if you do not like the changes that you've made and you just want to clear them all out, you can go ahead with Clear Changes and go for it again. And that's it. Now you're ready to design your beautiful app. And if you have any follow-up questions on your showcase elements or just design in general, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through our 24/7 live chats. And here you go. Bye.